Hi, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Chris Martin. I am a distribution account executive at Dell Federal. First, I wanted to take the time today to thank all of our reseller partners out there for another extremely successful buying season. We couldn't do it without the partnership with our resellers and our distributors out there. So again, thank you all so much and look forward to continued success with all of you. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about our federal partner program and specifically getting to gold. A couple quick notes about our federal partner program. It is separate from commercial. So what that means is you could actually have two different tier obtainments on the commercial side and one on the Fed side. So that's a big call. I just wanted to make sure I put that out there for you all. So I mentioned gold earlier. So the question is, what exactly is gold? Gold is one of our 4 levels to our federal partner program. And those 4 levels are authorized, being the lowest, gold, which is our second tier, platinum, and titanium being our highest level. So what about gold makes it so important? Gold is the first tier that you would start to earn MDF dollars on all of your sales. MDF, or market development funds, are used to fuel sales and growth. It could be used for demand generation activities as well as help your overall bottom line. And how do you get to gold? Well, there's 2 different ways you can get there and 2 different boxes we need to check. The first is a revenue obtainment. The second is training competencies. I know I mentioned revenue. There's actually 2 different ways you could check that revenue box. One is a $10 million all-in revenue. That includes all lines of business. The second is $2.5 million in our storage portfolio. And when I talk about revenue, think about the federal partner program as a frequent flyer program. The revenue that you book this year counts towards your tier obtainment for all of next year. And the Dell year it starts in February, ends at the end of January. So I talked about revenue being the one. The second box we need to check is our training competencies. These actually do cross over from commercial, so you don't have to take 2 different training competencies in the commercial org and one for the Fed organization. You'll actually be able to see another video series on here from my counterpart, Johnny Zamora, who's going to go a little bit more in depth in those training competencies, where to find them, which ones to take, how to take them, and whatnot. My suggestion around the training competencies really is to continue to do them now. Do not wait to the last minute because they do take an investment. They do take time. It's very important that we start them now. So if you hit that revenue obtainment, you finish your training competencies, you will qualify to be a gold level partner all of next year. A lot of myself and my counterparts are taking the time to really take a look at where our partners stand from a revenue standpoint, who's tracking towards that gold attainment, and proactively reaching out to talk to you more about the program. I suggest if you have any questions on where you stand, how to get there, what we can do to help you, what Ingram Micro can do to help you, to please reach out to myself or your Ingram Micro reps. We'd be happy to put a plan in place, track your revenue, and make sure we're upfront on how to get there and making sure we're helping you along the way. So that is a real high level overview of our gold program. Again, here to help, want to make sure you get there. In my experience at Dell Federal, it's been really a game changer when a partner gets to that gold tier. I've seen it fuel a lot of success and help partners get to their goals as a company when they hit that level. And again, it is one of the reasons I think we have the most lucrative partner program in the industry here at Dell Fed. So again, thank you for your time. To have more of a follow-up conversation, please don't hesitate to reach out and have a great day. Thank you.